Hello again, Alex Parker from 1330 WFIN. Touring manufacturing days, talking to some of the people that are making this day possible. We're here with Brittany Locke from Valfilm.
Hello.
So, Brittany, what can you tell me a little, about Valfilm?
So we are a manufacturing facility on North Main Street here in Findlay. We're a Brazilian-owned company, recently expanded into the United States. We make different types of flexible film, so it's great for us to be here on site at Romark because some of our processes coincide a little bit with what they do, being plastics manufacturers. So that's fun to talk to the kids about.
Very cool. So you and Romark are kind of working together here.
Yeah, it's nice to be able to draw the lines between what they are seeing out in the plant in Romark and our examples and what we're showing them, and we can kind of see them making little connections here and there, so that's a lot of fun.
Very cool. So what are the students experiencing today from Valfilm?
So we're doing a couple things with them. We're trying to walk them through a little bit of a watered down process to show what our production process looks like. So they're getting their hands in some raw materials. We're showing them what a melting process looks like and what some of our finished products are. One of the things that the kids are loving so much is one of the things we make is stretch wrap. So for shipping and things like that. So we're letting the kids safely stretch wrap each other, and so they get that opportunity to do that hands-on, and we use that as a demonstration to show how strong it is despite the fact that it's so thin. So they're having a blast with that, and we're having a lot of fun interacting with them.
Very cool. So we're getting to mummify.
That's right. They're loving it, yes. So
yeah. So I noticed we have a lot of the stuff on the tables. These are the raw products you were talking about?
Yep. So this here is the resin. We let the kids get their hands in it and kind of play with it. This is our raw material. So just little beads of plastic. And so we're trying to make it simple so they can understand how this becomes something that we're showing them at the end. You know, what happens between here and the end process where we show them, a bread bag or something where our product ends up.
Gotcha. Now, how is this different from some of the other manufacturing experiences? I know we've done GSW, we've done Cooper, and those are all really interesting experiences. And this is different.
Sure.
So kind of walk me through here.
Sure. So what we do is plastics extrusion, and so that's a little bit, it's different than like an assembly process. I mean, every process has their steps that are very intricate and specific. We have a lot of engineering that goes into our products, so how we end up with a film that feels like this versus a film that feels like that. We're trying to keep it manageable for the kiddos, so what they can get out of it in a few quick minutes. But we're trying to, I guess, explain to them that this takes a lot of thought, and there's a lot of steps and a lot of people behind the scenes. So there's engineers, there's people who are designing these films, there's people who are working with our customers to figure out their needs and all those types of things. So trying to get all that information to them in just a quick little snippet of time and keep them engaged as well.
It sounds like the kids are on their way.
Sounds like they're here.
I'll let you get back to your work.
Great.
Thank you so much for talking with me.
It was great. Thank you.
It sounds like a fun time for the kids
we're having
here.
a great time. We love being here.
Very cool.
Awesome.
All right, so we have one more. We've got Romark on our list here, and we'll be right back with that.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.